How to make samosa. First, you get about 1 cup of wheat flour and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 full cup of water. Mix them around until the dough is hard and both soft. It should come out like this. Now let's make the filling. You'll need to boil 2 regular sized potatoes, cut them in half and peel the skin. Get a crusher and crush them. Once your potatoes are small enough, you need to put 1/4 teaspoons of turmeric. Then add 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Then add 1/4 teaspoons of chili powder. Add 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And if you like spicy things, you can even add some green chili peppers. These are very spicy, so if you like very spicy stuff, you can put these in. Just cut them up into small pieces and put them in. Now, all you have to do is mix them together. Now I have been mashing for about 1 to 2 minutes and it has come to a pretty good consistency. Now you need to boil some oil and boil some cumin and mustard seeds. Place it on high and leave it there for about 1 to 2 minutes. The cumin and mustard seeds have finished popping and now you place them into the filling. We have now finished with the filling, and now we have to roll out the dough. Get a piece of the dough and just roll it out. About that big, about 3 centimeters wide. After you've made about the size of your hand, cut the dough in half. You will be left with 2 half circles. Fold one side onto the other and seal the bottom edge. Open the top part and it should leave you with the cone. Now fill the cone with the filling. Don't overpack it because it may burst. After your oil has been burning for a few minutes, place each samosa in gently. Should start sizzling up. Keep them there for about 20 seconds and then flip them over. Okay, so now it has been 20 seconds and you can flip them over. On the other side, they should be reddish brown depending on how hot your gas was at. Now leave them on this side for 20 seconds. After about 20 seconds, lean them against the wall and take all the oil off. Place them in a separate dish, and your samosas are ready to be eaten. You only need a couple of easy steps and some ingredients. This recipe was made for a dozen of samosas. This is enough to feed about 3 to 4 people. Samosa, fun and easy to make. The perfect edible treat. They're the best for birthday parties, occasions, or any get together. Everybody loves them, and that's what makes them special.
Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah, yeah.